Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how to merge the alphabetical data in Excel. Like we can see, we have alphabetical data in B and C column. We'll use the formula concatenate. We'll write concatenate, start the bracket, the first cell, that is B2, then a comma. Now we want a space in between, so we'll start with inverted commas, then space bar, one single space, and close the inverted commas, then again a comma and the second name, and close the bracket. You can see the names, the first and second name are merged. Now suppose we have to add a email address uh, with the name. What we'll do is we'll again use the formula concatenate, start the bracket, b2. We will write only comma because we don't want a space in between the first and the second name. And now we want to add the domain name. Start the inverted commas @yahoo.com, close the inverted commas and close the bracket. Double click on the fill handle. You can see we have merged the data contained in column B and column C. Moreover, we have added a domain name at the end of the names.